I got the Big 10 running. Rewired it. New fuel line, filter. Had to do a little adjustment on the governor. Clean the carburetor. That's basically it. I still haven't washed it or anything yet. And got to get that seat off there. Jolene, you a good girl? Sit down. Good girl. You want to go for a ride, don't you? Load up. Get up there. Want to go for a ride? Get up there on that seat. Come on. Get up there. You want to go for a ride? Go ahead. Climb up. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Get up on that seat. You know you want to ride? Good girl. She loves to ride these tractors, buddy. Jolene, you like to ride? Anyhow, cranks up nice and easy like the old Briggs does. Get a new tire also. Wal Mart. It'll be another nice machine once I get her all cleaned up. I got the side panels for it. I just had them off while I was working on it. And it charges. Well, that runs good. Down here in Florida, the weather's been good, but it's gotten a little cold in the last couple of days. I had to break out the Florida heater. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See ya.